Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is ROOP SNADHU. So today I have created this look right here. I really hope that you guys like it. If you want to know how to get this look, then please continue to watch, and if you guys are new to my channel, then please click on subscribe and also click on the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I put a new video. And yeah, now let's start. So first of all, I'm gonna take a primer, and this one is by PAC. It's called Zero Pore Separation Cream, and I'm going to apply a very thin layer of the same on my entire face. And then I'll take a foundation. This one is by Maybelline. It's called Fit Me Foundation, and I'm going to apply it all over my face with a damp beauty blender. And then the remaining foundation, I'm going to apply it on my neck, and then I'm going to take a concealer. This one is by Maybelline. It's their Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes. So I do have a little bit of spots on my cheeks, so that is why I'm applying a little too much. So if you don't want, you can avoid it. You can just apply it near your under eyes. I'm going to apply it on my forehead, my nose, my chin, also on my eyelids as an eyeshadow base. And then I'm going to take the same beauty blender and I'm going to blend everything nicely. And then I'm going to take this banana shade from the Wet n Wild contour kit, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes, actually wherever I applied the concealer, and this is going to stop the concealer from creasing. And then from the same kit, I'm going to take this contour shade and I'm going to apply it on the hollows of my cheeks with an angled brush. I'm also going to apply it on the sides of my nose and also on the top of my forehead. And then I'm going to apply some banana shade right under my contour, and then I'm going to take a fluffy powder brush and I'm going to dust off all the powders from my face and blend everything nicely. And then I'm going to take a blush. This one is by NYX. Their name you can find out in the description box. I don't remember them. I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks. This one is a very pigmented blush, so you have to be a little bit careful. And again, I'm going to take a highlighter. This one is again from NYX, and I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face, which is cheekbone, my forehead, top of my nose, my chin, and also on my cupid bows. And then to do my eyebrows, I'm gonna take this gel eyeliner by LA Girl, and the shade is called Dark Brown. And then I'm going to take this nude eyeshadow from the palette Revolution Pro Trends Mischief Mattes, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. This is going to set the concealer. And then from the same palette, I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it right on my crease. I'll take more of that brown eyeshadow and I'm going to make my crease a little more intense. And then from the same palette, I'm going to pick up another darker brown eyeshadow and I'm going to make my crease a little more intense. I'm going to apply this eyeshadow a little below the previous one. And then I'm going to apply that dark brown eyeshadow on the outer corners as well as in the inner corners with a flat brush. And then I'm going to take Garnier Micellar Water on an earbud, and I'm going to clean off my eyeshadow from right from the center of my eyelids. And then I'll take a concealer. This one is by Maybelline. It's called their Fit Me Concealer, and I'm going to apply it right in the center of my eyelids to give that nice halo effect, just because the yellow eyeshadow is too light, so we need to get a light base for that. And then I'm going to take a yellow eyeshadow, so I'm using the same palette only, and I'm going to pack that matte yellow eyeshadow right on the center of my eyelid. And then I'm going to take a light brown eyeshadow on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to blend the edges of yellow eyeshadow. So I am going to keep the yellow eyeshadow very much clean and clear in the center and a little blurred from the outer ends. And then I'm going to apply some brown eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and I'm doing so with a blending brush. And then I'm going to put some highlighter in the inner corners as well as on my brow bone. So this one is by Bobbi Brown. It's their Shimmer Brick in bronze shade, I think. So I'm also going to apply a little bit on my nose, my cupid bows as well. And then I'm going to take INGLOT Gel Eyeliner in brown, and I'm going to create a winged eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going to take this one by MAC. It's called Hot and Naughty Mascara, and I'm going to coat my upper and lower lashes with this. For lips, I'm going to take this lipstick by NYX. It's their liquid suede lipstick in Soft Spoken, which is a beautiful nude shade, and I'm going to apply this on my lips. I'm going to put on my lashes, and with that this look is complete. I really hope that you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like, and you guys can leave your comments down below. I would love to read them. And if you guys have still not subscribed to my channel, then please click on subscribe and be sure that you click on the bell icon also, so that you get a notification whenever I put a new video and you don't miss any of my video. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you so much guys. Love you all.